Hello everybody. So today we're gonna keep working on our 808 and kick. We layered it yesterday with a equalizer, and today we're gonna add a little bit more brightness, coloration, and a little bit mix them together and see where we're gonna end up today. So let's play it again to remind ourselves what it sounds right now with equalization and nothing else. So first, what I would like to do right now, I would probably double the 808 sound over here, make it unique, and we're gonna double it up right here. Next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and create a second layer. We'll put it in this insert, next insert. I'm gonna mix it, lower the sound into 6 dB, about 6 dB right here, and we're gonna call it. We're gonna rename it, and we're gonna call it 808. From distortion. So we're gonna add a little bit of distortion here. We're gonna EQ it again. So let's go ahead, EQ. But on this one we're gonna need a little bit more highs, actually pretty a lot, so I'm gonna add a little bit more sides on this one. You'll see what I'm doing in a few minutes. So I'm gonna do something like that right here, and also add another one over here, and we're gonna remove the sides from here. So this is how it sounds right now. This is how it sounded before. Okay. So next we're gonna go ahead and add the plugin from Waves. It's called Guitar Stomp 6 Stereo. This is like a rack which has its own slots for different pedals. So for different pedals, guitars have this little pedal rack. When you play regular guitar, you might be familiar with different pedals for here. So we're gonna use little preset here. I'm not quite sure which one exactly, but let's play with this power board and see what type of presets we have here, and then we'll decide. Alright. Okay, I kinda like this one. It's stereoized, it's stereo, and it's super distorted. Let's hear what we got here else. I kind of like this one. So next thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna decrease again a little bit. Alright, and then we're gonna drag it up so we go it applies before the equalizer. And now we're gonna play a little bit more with equalizer, maybe gonna turn on the we're gonna maybe turn on the first 808 and layer them together a little bit. Because like from this 808 all we need is just the sub, we don't need sub frequencies, we need like a little bit more everything, probably everything below, everything above 200 dB. And this is not something that like you have to do, this is something that I feel like doing right now. It's all about your experience and your preferences. So this is how it sounds right now. You can hear the sound. It's it's like not really good sound, it's annoying. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna decrease this one right here, we're gonna cut it off. We don't need it right here. Something like that. And we're gonna go ahead and do pretty much the same for our main one. Let's hear it. No, I think we're gonna leave everything like it is for this one. Okay, let's hear them together. And also we're gonna probably decrease the volume of this one a little bit. So we're just gonna add a little bit of this distortion on higher end. This little touch gonna add more sound. If you're using little smaller speakers, sound systems, you're gonna bring all this lower sub band and higher frequency will be more visible in the smaller sound systems. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of decapitator as well. And we're gonna put it before our EQ. Let's hear it. Let's turn it off, the bass sub, and let's play with decapitator a little bit. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, let's hear them together. Also, what else I would do to go again? Go ahead to the main low 808, and we're gonna add another filter, another EQ, and we're gonna pretty much mono everything that below 80. So we're gonna low cut, but we're gonna low cut on sides. Okay. And now we're gonna hear them both together. Next thing, we're gonna add a little bit more of we're gonna add decapitator to our kick. And again, we're gonna do it right before EQ. Sounds tighter now. Okay, what else we could do? We could add to this top 808 a little bit of maybe even more of saturation from fat filter. Let's go ahead and add let's play with some saturation for the bass, like this one. Alright, I guess that's it for today, guys. Played just a little bit with it, had a little bit of fun. Hope you enjoyed it, and I feel like I want to keep working on it even tomorrow, so I'll see what else I will come up with it tomorrow. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share if you found it useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.